Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share.
Dear students, let us discuss exercise 1.1 of the chapter rational number. The first question is using appropriate properties find. So first bit is, this is the solution. Bit 1 minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6. So here look at these two terms. So these two terms having common factor 3 by 5. So we have to move this term towards this. So this implies minus 2 by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 3 by 5 into 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So we interchange these two terms. So this is the property commutativity. So then from these two terms we will take common as 3 by 5. So this is the property of distributivity. So 3 by 5 whole into minus 2 by 3 minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So this is the property distributivity. So now we can solve. 3 by 5 multiplied with, this is 6. So this is minus 4 minus 1 plus 5 by 2. So this is equal to 3 by 5 into minus 5 by 6 plus 5 by 2. So this is equal to, so this is minus 3 by 6 minus 3 by 6 plus 5 by 2, or that is equal to minus 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2. So that is equal to 2 is the LCM, minus 1 plus 5. This is 4 by 2, or answer is 2. The solution of the second problem, that is 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5. So here we exchange this term, that is x plus y is equal to y plus x, by using the commutative property. So this is equal to 2 by 5 into minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14 into 2 by 5 minus 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. So here we exchange the terms, so by using commutativity. So this is, so in these two terms 2 by 5 is common. So this is due to distributive property. We use here distributive property. So minus 3 by 7 plus 1 by 14. So minus, so this is 3, 6, this is 1 by 4. So this is equal to 2 by 5 multiplied with, LCM is 14. So this is minus 6 plus 1, minus 1 by 4. So this is equal to 2 by 5 multiplied with minus 5 by 14, minus 1 by 4. So this is equal to, this is minus 1, minus 2 by 14, minus 1 by 4. So this is equal to, so this is minus 1 by 7, minus 1 by 4. So that is equal to 28 minus 4 minus 7. So that is minus 11 by 28. Answer. Question, write the additive inverse of each of the following. So here is the solution. The additive inverse of first one, 2 by 8 is minus 2 by 8. Then bit 2, minus 5 by 9 is 5 by 9. So the additive inverse of x is minus x. The additive inverse of x is minus x. So in this way we can find here. So the additive inverse of minus 6 by minus 5, that is equal to 6 by 5. The additive inverse is minus 6 by 5. So then bit 4, 2 by minus 9. So additive inverse is 2 by 9. So this is minus 2 by 9. So additive inverse is 2 by 9. Then fifth one, 19 by minus 6. So this is equal to minus 19 by 6. The additive inverse is 19 by 6. Next question, verify that minus of minus x is equal to x for first x is equal to 11 by 15 and second is x is equal to minus 13 by 17. So first solution of first one. So here x is equal to 11 by 15. Then what is minus x? So minus x is equal to minus 11 by 15. So here minus x is the additive inverse of x. So 11 by 15 plus minus 11 by 15 is equal to 0. So that means 11 by 15 is the additive inverse of minus 11 by 15. So additive inverse of minus 11 by 15 is 11 by 15. But we know additive inverse of minus 11 by 15 is minus of minus 11 by 15. So this is equal to 11 by 15. So in this way you can prove minus of minus x is equal to x. So here we verified that minus of minus x is equal to x. This is verified. So here x is equal to minus 13 by 17. So what is minus x? Minus x is minus of minus 13 by 17. So minus 13 by 17 or additive inverse of, we know that here we can write is minus 13 by 17 plus minus of minus 13 by 17 is equal to 0. So additive inverse of minus 13 by 17 is equal to minus 13 by 17. So what is the additive inverse of minus 13 by 17? So this is minus of minus 13 by 17 minus, this is equal to minus 13 by 17. So this is minus of minus x is equal to x. This is verified. So this is our x, this is minus x. So minus of minus x is equal to x. Question number 4 of exercise 1.1. Find the multiplicative inverse of the following. So we know that multiplicative inverse of x is 1 by x. So here multiplicative inverse of first minus 13, that is 1 by minus 13, that is equal to minus 1 by 13. So bit 2, multiplicative inverse of minus 13 by 19. So that is equal to 1 by minus 13 by 19. So that is equal to 19 by minus 13, or that is minus 19 by 13. So then third one, multiplicative inverse of 1 by 5. That is 1 by 5. That is equal to 5. Then fourth one, minus 5 by 8 multiplied with minus 3 by 7. So first we have to multiply first. So this is 15 by 56. The multiplicative inverse is inverse is 56 by 15. That is 1 by 15 by 56. that is 56 by 15. Then fifth one, minus 1 into minus 2 by 5. So this is equal to 2 by 5. So multiplicative inverse is 5 by 2. Then sixth one, minus 1. The multiplicative inverse is 1 by minus 1, that is minus 1.